Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can disable weapon mount movement exit in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Modern Warfare. Now just click here on options. When you're right here, go to keyboard and mouse and weapons and equipment. And you're gonna see right here, weapons mount movement exit, and you just want to press it to disable. And that's pretty much it, and this is how we do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it works. But yeah. So again, options, weapons, equipment, and weapon mount movement exit to disable. And that's pretty much it. So have a great day and goodbye.